This is probably the most anticipation that we've had. The following people have managed to land a lead role. Mrs. Gloop. Mrs. Gloop.
Yeah, so just feeling terrified, and yeah, I didn't want to mess up at all because I didn't want to get embarrassed and everything.
This person needs no words. Mia Francis.
I did actually forget the first line of the monologue that we had to do. And I also did forget the first line that we had to sing in the song, which was great, but that's okay because I did try my hardest, and yeah, eventually I got the role.
Now Augustus Gloop.
It was really nerve-wracking how good everyone was at singing. Everyone had like their own kind of style doing it.
Augustus Gloop is played by Ethan Chilton.
Honestly, everyone could have been anyone. And I am so lucky that I got Augustus Gloop. I can fit him pretty well. He's a clumsy character. I'm a fairly clumsy person. I enjoy playing him so much because I can just be me, basically, when I'm Augustus Gloop.
Mr. Beauregard. Layla Hadjali. Your Violet Beauregard for 2022 is Dear Cat.
I didn't think I was going to get it because I'm obviously younger than most people, and my friend was sitting beside me. She was chanting, "Oh yes, yes, yeah, you're going to get Violet, yay!" And when they called my name, it was unreal, and I ran over to Layla, who's playing my father in the musical, and it was amazing.
Mr. Salt. Your Mr. Salt is Ryan Lee.
When my name got called, I was like, geez, I'm actually in. Like, whoa. I remember coming home, I'm like, Mum, I actually got in. Like, it's an honor.
Veruca Salt. Jasmine Bikini.
I was in shock, kind of. Like, it was a moment of what? And then just so happy. I went out and then I called my mum and I called my whole family and I was like, oh my gosh, like I got the role.
Mrs. TV. Mrs. TV. Your Mrs. TV is Ginger Baldwin.
Like, I just got this like sense of happiness and I was just like, man.
Mrs. TV needs her son. But from what I can see, I don't know if they are here, but that's okay. Your son, Ginger, is Xavier Cooper. Our grandpa, Joe, is Piper Clements. Our Charlie Bucket, little excited Charlie Bucket, who was the last one to get the golden ticket.
Leading up to it, I could not stop thinking about it. Like the whole time period between the auditions and the cast announcements, I was struggling. I was so nervous, but being there and just seeing everyone else get their roles and characters, it made me excited. So even if I didn't get a role, I knew I'd be proud of them anyway, so.
Leah Erskine. And now, the question that has been on everyone's lips that I've been approached about this week, I think this one needs a drum roll. Drum roll for me, please. Your Willy Wonka for Charlie and the Chocolate Factory is...
What have I gotten myself into? Why did I audition? What am I doing? And then it's announced, Willy Wonka, the man himself, Blake Atkins, and I am absolutely shocked. You know, it's nothing I could have ever imagined. I'm feeling so privileged and excited for what is going to happen.
To everyone here, Leeds, congratulations on the role that we have given. Another round of applause, beautiful people.